Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curve. So today is a haul day and I have picked some clothes from this Max store which has come up with a beautiful hashtag, that is Behan Kuch Bhi Pehen. Really, they had amazing clothes, but I had a challenge and I had a twist also, like under 500 from their new collection. So let's get started. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. So I picked up some clothes. Let's see what I got in 500. So the first thing which I got is this kurta, and it has nice, it's like, till the waistline, and it's mixed cotton material, and it's nice red color which I really loved, and this is for 399 rupees. You can style up with the jeans or anything else, like this will look nice with a skirt or a jeans. Both they will look very, like, both will look nice. Either you can also go with any plazo pants or any sharara and pair it up with a dupatta. This is the first piece which I got. Now the second piece is this navy blue color kurta. Okay, this is just for 399 rupees again. But one thing you have to notice, that whenever you buy something from Max, their sizes are very fluctuating. So everything you buy, you need to try out. They have different collections, but every collection have some or the other size alteration, so you have to check these things. Till now I really like the product, and it's very nice cotton, which is very good for these summers. It is a summer cloth. Now the other kurta which I got, I really love the color. It's a bright pink color kurta, plain pink color kurta. Okay, and this I got for 500 rupees, just because I had picked two from this collection. Like, they gave 100 rupees off, so if you buy two you will get 100 rupees off. So I got it for 500 rupees, like, each. And this is the first kurta. It will look nice with jeans, or else it will look nice with white color plazo pants, which I'm looking forward to wear. And I really love the fuchsia color. It's very nice orangish as well as pink mixed, because it has checks on it. Then comes one of my favorite thing which I really loved, is this polka dot t-shirt. Okay, so this I got just for 399 rupees. This is not even a t-shirt, it's a crop top. It has a knot thing at the end, like near the waistline, which is really very good, and it will look nice with high-waisted jeans or else with your skirt. And you can check out, my video is coming on Instagram IGTV as to how to pair this up, like how to style this piece. Okay, so do check it out. Then comes the last thing. No, this is not the last thing. Then comes the second last thing which I got, is this very nice kurta in black and white. Okay, so this gives nice Indian vibe, because it has all those shlok printed. I don't know what it is, but something printed, and it's in bandhani. Okay, now black and white, as I told you, is basic of everything. So I got this for myself, and this was for 499 rupees. So again, I really like this product. Then comes one more, the last thing which I got is this dupatta. This dupatta costed me 399, and I really love the dupatta, the two colors. Okay, and the bandhani print on it, I really liked it very much. Now I'm looking forward to pair it up. It's very nice cotton. It's a thick cotton, not very light. Okay, so it will not even fall or slip. So such kind of dupattas are very good for mix and match kind of thing. That's it. These were all the things which I got under 500, and I'm really loving each of my products. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.